Welcome to Shillong, the Scotland of East. Today, I am taking you to one of its most iconic landmarks, the Cathedral of Mary, Help of Christians. A place that's not just a piece of architecture, but a symbol of faith, peace, and timeless beauty. Perched gracefully on the hilltop of Ri-Bhoi, this stunning sky blue cathedral immediately catches your eye. Its tall twin tower, Gothic inspired arcs, and peaceful gardens make it one of the most photographed sites in Shillong. As I walk through the pathway, surrounded by lush green lawns and quiet corners, the calmness of the place completely took over. The atmosphere feels divine, the kind that makes you pause and breathe. The Cathedral of Mary, Help of Christians, was built in 1930, but the present structure was completed later, after the original wooden church was destroyed by a fire. Dedicated to the Blessed Virgin Mary, this cathedral is the principal place of worship for the Catholics of Shillong Archdiocese. It stands not just as a monument of faith, but as a reminder of resilience and hope through changing times. Shillong's unpredictable weather adds its own magic here. The mist rolling in, the bells echoing through the hills, and the blue walls glowing softly under the cloudy sky. Every moment feels cinematic. Being here, I felt something beyond words: peace, simplicity, and connection. Whether you are religious or not, this place makes you feel grounded. It's one of the most rare spots where silence speaks. So if you ever visit Shillong, make sure this cathedral is on your list. Come not just for photos, but for the peace it offers. Because sometimes the most beautiful journeys are the quiet ones. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories from the heart of the Northeast. Until next time, keep exploring and keep wondering.